Welcome and thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro and you're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. Day trading for an ROI payout, no recommendations, no trade signals, and not selling indicators. This is just my trade journal. We've got price action order flow levels Friday, July 28th, 8:30 a.m. News catalyst is happening. We've got multiple reports. You're seeing a weekly chart here, so take in mind this is the last full week of trading for July, and current Globex point handle range 29.5. The bulk of that happened in Asia Globex, and we've got a 3-day average point handle range 41.85 handles. So let's get to the charts. Weekly chart with annotations. I know it's busy with a lot of lines, but it makes sense for me. And this body of the candle here for the week, I want to note the zones. We have new week open gap, New York midnight open for Friday, London open for Friday. And then above that, we've got this big wick, and the wick high is the T+2 high of day. So that all happened at around the 8:30 Eastern AM time. After that, price just went down. The gap middle of this wick comes in at 14.5, 46.14.5. Now, on the low of this wick, the low of the previous day, that's 45.53.75. So these are all the main zones. I am planning to tape read. I want to just see what jumps out at me. So based on the handle point range, which mostly happened in Asia Globex, that would mean I would pretty much set out the RTH AM and trade the lunch to PM levels if a layup setup appeared. So we'll see how it goes. Let's go to the next chart. Okay, so what I'm looking at here on the 24-hour charts on the far left is the NASDAQ. And again, we come off a year-to-date high with a big wick and two lower highs beside it. So this you could call a July pivot high so far. And same for the S&P. So we're way up here on the high of the previous day and lower high on the left, lower high so far on Friday the right. So pretty obvious. On the right, we've got the dollar, and the dollar's still trending up here. You can see we did go have a low here of 100.558 prior day, but we did not break 100, and we're up here at 101.465. So what is this showing me? Is it showing me anything great? Again, looking at the annotations here, my main thing is the FOMC high today. If we were able to get there in the FOMC 50% for the FOMC day. So that's the two levels that I'm potentially looking at if we've got enough rocket fuel to get there. Otherwise, I'm going to pay attention much more to the benchmark 15-minute, which we're going to go to right now. We're here. We're at the benchmark. So you can see here relative equal lows here on the 15-minute. So that's 45.58.75. Again, New York midnight open, London. These are Friday levels, and new week open gap here at 64.25. So that's already been hit. Relative equal lows have been hit. Again, there's the zones above that I'm looking for, the FOMC high of day and this wick, premium wick 50% level. So again, I'm just going to watch this. I doubt we're going to challenge these upper areas. I could be wrong. I'm looking for more of a muted range because it is a Friday, but I want to see the trajectory. This light blue 1 hour fair value gap. And this is a daily fair value gap where we've spent the bulk of Globex here with price action. So this is very important level for me. Not that it's been repriced and maybe you could say rebalanced, but that this has just spent so much time in this zone already. So that's it. I want to go to the Renko and we'll close it out. My friend, the Renko. So upper blue, 45.93.75 right here in this zone, and we're in the zip code right here with price. The hum is green. The Renko bars are going up there, and the red comes in the middle Keltner at 71.75, and lower blue Keltner we're just below 45.50 and 45.49.75 lower blue. So again, of course, the magical 4600 is definitely a level, so I am absolutely going to be hands off. But if we hit that, the whole point, is it high a day? Is it RTH AM? Is it lunch? What time do we hit that, and what does price do if we go back there? So that kind of wraps everything here. Button pushing is going to be basically held to either a very much of minimum or not at all, because it's all about tape reading and making sure everything is clear for a Monday open. I want to really be set mentally, emotionally, and financially to have a good weekend and to be clear for the Monday trade. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and aloha. Bye.